Have you ever stopped to think about who is shaping the future while silently carrying the burdens of the world? Teachers do, and sometimes at a cost no one talks about. When there is no teachers, no other professionals would be created or be achieved. The doctors, the engineers, the bookkeeper, our leaders, everyone in the community, those nurses, they all came from teachers. So we must respect teachers' dignity. I really have this content in as much as I am also a teacher for 42 teaching years, celebrating this with my teaching to Filipino learners. And I am really with emotional connection with this story. So I want to share a story that's been on my heart just yesterday. A fellow teacher collapsed and passed away while performing those what we are calling as the deep ed requirements of classroom observation tools, wherein you can really show your talents. But the irony is, even those who are retirable or more than 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years of teaching, they are still allowed, or they are still, mandated, required. It's not optional that you must present yourself in a classroom teaching, wherein your school heads, your department heads, your co-teachers would be watching you from the beginning and the end of your teaching. So this really touched my heart, that a task wherein it would endanger the life of a teacher. Imagine with all the preparation before making your COT, with all the visual requirements, because me also, I'm not really good in what we call ICT. I used to request the young teachers to do my PowerPoint. So if the teacher is already been teaching for a long time, it would be difficult to use all those PowerPoint, your visual materials, which involves more time, and really it's stressful according to my storyline. So this is not just a news story that shocked the whole Philippines and even the other countries. It is a reality that too many educators are facing every day. Teachers are expected to go above and beyond, often working long hours. Not only 8 working hours, but there's still extra time attending back-to-back meetings and managing countless administrative tasks which is not already included on their job description, all on the top of teaching and mentoring our children. A teacher is also a school nurse, an engineer, everything, all those profession, carpenter, that is within the teacher's job if you are on teaching. And yet their welfare, their health, and even their very lives are often overlooked. Wherein we used to have that sayings, bata muna, unahin ang mga estudyante. Overlooking the welfare of the teacher. It's always focusing on the child-centered education. Please don't get me wrong. We should also have our focus on the learners, but not neglecting, ignoring teachers' welfare. So as someone who creates content, I've realized I have a platform to speak up. So through my posts, my picture posts, stories, I want to highlight right now that teacher welfare is not optional. It is essential, mandatory. Policies need to be human, workloads manageable, and health support system in place. Supporting teachers is not just about applause on social media. It is about advocating for meaningful change. So every teacher who thrives positively impacts generations of students. And every teacher we lost unnecessarily is a loss to our society as a whole. So today, I am using my content to honor those who dedicate their lives to teaching while also reminding the world teachers need care, respect, dignity, and protection, not just recognition after tragedy yesterday.